खिलाफत इर्तिकाए नस्ल इंसानी की सूरत है.
What does Hazur mean to me? So, Hazur means to me the beacon of guidance from Allah. And whatever Hazur says, I feel that has come from a guidance from Allah Almighty. One of the stories I would like to mention is when I was in A-levels, I had good grades in all my subjects, alhamdulillah. And I was very confused what I wanted to study going forward. So, and to an extent, I just happened to fill in my university applications for different subjects, but I still wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And then I had to have the blessed opportunity to be on tour with Hazur in Spain. While I was on tour with Spain, Hazur pulled me over and Hazur asked me what am I studying, and I stated to Hazur I'm studying these subjects in A-levels. Hazur said, without anything else, straight away Hazur's reply was, "Do you want to be a civil engineer?" And I took this as a guidance from God, and I said straight away as a reply, "Yes, Hazur, I want to be a civil engineer." And then from that created a path of my life. And alhamdulillah, I went into university to study civil engineering, and I became a civil engineer. Alhamdulillah, Allah blessed me many opportunities to speak to Hazur. And one such example is when I received my job as a consultant in infrastructure engineering and management. I sought guidance from Hazur and told Hazur that, Hazur, alhamdulillah, I've got this job. And being a volunteer in MTA as well, Hazur said, okay, fine, you have this job, but are you able to give the weekends to Jamaat? And I said, yes, Hazur, inshallah, I'll be able to give the weekends. Hazur, I'll be able to give you more than weekends because my contract is flexible hours. So I'm able to use that flexibility to favor myself and balance my time better doing Jamaat work. So, and then Hazur said, okay, only in that condition, you should take this job. And alhamdulillah, because the job was near Islamabad, I was able to balance my work and Jamaat commitments. That kept progressing, and to an extent, during COVID, I was working from home, from Islamabad, and also doing my Jamaat work, alhamdulillah. With so much uncertainty and conflict in life, where I'm not sure if I needed to seek guidance from someone, who can I go to? But alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us with Khilafat and someone who can guide us to whatever topics we need guidance on. Without Khilafat, I'll be nowhere, and I wouldn't have a strong connection with God, I feel. And every time I come closer to Khilafat, I feel my relationship with God is improving as well, and vice versa. When I try to improve my relationship with God, Allah may improve my relationship with Khilafat. So alhamdulillah, this is a connection, and it's a rope of Allah.